start our painting. Ito po yung aking mga ginagamit. This brush is the only brush that I use for the whole painting. And pagkain, syempre. Just like how Kandinsky's painting was made. Simula tayo sa mga circles. It's all about colors and freedom and expressing how you want your your paintings to look. And dyan po is I tried to copy one of Kandinsky's famous style of painting kung saan may background siya. And I didn't go with that kasi hindi naman kasama sa assignment. And then, so what does this painting mean? This painting is just a simple expression of myself or freedom and experimentation na minsan lang maranasan kasi madalas when it comes to watercolor painting, ang ginagawa natin is restricted because watercolor is not something na you can erase unlike pencils na pwede mo siyang gamitan ng erasers and something na nabubura. But you can undo it pero sobrang hirap. Mahirap siyang burahin and that's why when watercolor painting, ang daming preparations na ginagawa. But when it comes to this painting, in Kandinsky's painting, it's all about experimentational and all about experiences kung saan you won't hold yourself back from doing what you think might make mistake. So right here, I'm just playing with colors and I'm just trying to do all the things that I want. Playing with different kinds of strokes, like that kind of way of holding your paintbrush para mag-make siya ng ganyang klaseng pattern. And here, medyo tapos na. In, in the first experience, in the first few minutes of starting this painting, medyo kinakabahan ako kasi wala siyang pinatutunguhan. But at this point, ano siya, it's like, I'm just having fun. And I know na hindi siya dapat maging perfect. Just have to be something good looking. Right here, I'm sticking all of the, ginagupit ko na siya. Ang ganda ng transition. So, nakita niyo. Pero yun, ididikit ko na lang po siya lahat. Idinidikit ko na lang lahat ng aking pag ginupit na. And that's it. Thank you very much sa panonood. I hope you like it. Thank you. Tada, mga abukado.